This man, I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us.
I'm telling you. Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Hey!
That is all. Who is this madman?
70 years old man.
And where is this madman coming from?
Il est smoking. Il est taking down.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour.
Aïe!
Who is this man in the first place? Because this case didn't know this man that had this house that here. This man is
I said you are a madman. And I mean it, you are a madman. You are a madman? You are a madman.
This man deserves. I don't want peace, Jesus. I want problems always. Jesus.
This evening you will die.
God have mercy upon us.
That is all. Who is this madman?
70 years old man.
And where is this madman coming from?